It's Mike Spells on Traveling with Spells. It's Monday, I think it's the 10th or the 11th of October 2011. I just left Hue something. Hue something, Vietnam. Headed down to Hue, Vietnam by train. It took about 12 hours, something like that. And now I think I got another 3 hours before I get to Hue. And then I'll head down to Ho Chi Minh City. So I'm on this train. My roommate just left. It's got 4 bunks in it. But as usual, I have it all to myself. And it's overcast today and a little foggy, but this is the Vietnam that looks like Vietnam to me. I remember on TV shows and stuff like that. It's still beautiful. The rice paddies and people working on it. Very interesting. Hey, when I get to Hue, I'll definitely get back with you. So this is a trip from Hanoi to Hue via train, the SC-19. And I'll see you next time. I'm Traveling with Spells.